everyone, today I'll show you how to download Cricfy TV on your Android TV in 2026. First, grab your Google TV remote and go to Settings, Apps, Security and Restrictions, and enable unknown resources for the browser or downloader app. This allows you to install apps outside the Play Store. Next, open the Google Play Store on your TV and search for Downloader by AFTV News. Install it. It's free and safe for sideloading. Now open Downloader and type in the URL for the Cricfy TV official APK 2026. Make sure it's from a trusted source. Once the APK finishes downloading, click Install that open when it's ready. Finally, go to your app section. Select this Cricfy TV and you're all set to stream your favorite sports and shows directly on your Google TV. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.